And it's been 1 year since Pfizer's COVID vaccine came out. Since then, millions of Americans have rolled up their sleeves to get their doses.
9 at your side's Caroline Boyer joins us in the studio now. Caroline, how are healthcare workers here in the East feeling about this milestone?
Angie, Ken, these health officials have been on the front lines of the pandemic for nearly 2 years. They've worked long hours and picked up extra shifts, but they say the severity of the virus would be much worse if we didn't have vaccines.
It's been a hard year, but one that I'm just in awe of at this point in time, looking back at the accomplishment of bringing vaccination out and the healthcare workers who have served so valiantly.
Exactly 1 year ago today, Sandra Lindsay became the first American to receive a COVID vaccine. On that same day, Carolina East Medical Center received its first shipment of Pfizer doses. 2 days later, on December 16, 2020, the hospital vaccinated its first 16 staff members.
I told my husband that it was like going to a party of hope because so many people were hoping that this was going to be the end of COVID for us.
The next day, Vidant Medical Center vaccinated its first employees.
We knew at that time we were experiencing a miracle that none of us could have imagined that a vaccine, a safe vaccine, would be available as quickly as one became available.
Flash forward to today, hundreds of millions of Americans have rolled up their sleeves, but tens of millions remain unvaccinated.
If you look at the risk of having problems with COVID, you're up here, and the risk of having an issue with the vaccine is down here.
While the push for vaccinations continues,
The vaccine has proven that it does slow the spread and reduce the severity of COVID. So I would recommend, if you love yourself or anyone else, consider getting the vaccine.
so does the development of new COVID treatments and therapies. Researchers are working on antiviral pills and other vaccines.
We are prepared to take on whatever challenge we have, whether that's Omicron or whether that's whatever Greek letter comes next.
Experts say the Omicron variant does not seem to be as devastating as the Delta variant, but they expect we will see several more strains as time goes on.
And Caroline, what's our best defense?
In addition to getting vaccinated, it's the same precautions we've been talking about since day one of the pandemic: washing your hands, wearing a mask, and staying socially distanced.
All right, Caroline, thanks. Let's take a look now at